This is Mr. Hidden Blood, and this is part 2. And, I'm sorry, I accidentally did a little bit before I even started the next part. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. So, this is the next part. It's part 2. Right? Here you go. Start game. Yeah. We can do this. Whoa.
I think I got second.
And I didn't know I was gonna win this one.
Yep, I got second.
So we got all the coins, some of them. And I didn't know.
Brian sprung to you. Is that good? Oh, he went up.
He had extra spaces to go. So he should have not done that. He just went one space behind. So I thought that was a horrible choice. I didn't think that was a great choice. What did I do? Chloe, which space should I use? Which one should I use? Bolo or Weebly? Which one should
They
I
got
use?
2 candies.
Weebly?
Weekly, because we'd only want to use that when they have like a lot of coins.
Alright guys, I'm using Weebly.
Good goal.
Oh, you can barely see them. Should I go in? No. Well, Chloe is closer to the star. Yes. Let's go in, guys. Wee! 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 I've never seen Weebly go in a cannon. Yes, I gotta catch that.
Yeah, we just got there.
Catch that! And Mario just is trying to rule the day.
I mean, Mario's trying to win, make his team win, and get another star coin, but he just wasted all his coins for some twice candy. So they basically have 2 reds, which I'm
And
not
a
interested
piece of twice candy.
in. They need peas and
I like Mosh Pit play, remember this one. Oh, and watch the jump. All times. Corey, we never had to play this game. It's just like this.
Let's try and get first.
All you need.
I am the best at this game in my family.
You're the best, I didn't know that. Oh, now I'm the best. Oh, done.
See,
Alright, go, go, go. No! No, no, no. Who's gonna get me? No!
oh, barely on a new record. I barely lost a new record.
You almost. You almost got the new record.
I barely lost it.
Barely lost to those.
Oh. I lost to the red.
He thinks he can get it with ice cream. Such a noob. He's such a noob. Basically, no. Well, we just throw the dice because. Oh, I'm so close to it. Yeah, we get a spring opening. But, oh, Bolo. So we just gave away our Bolo because I'm tired of getting Bolos. Because Bolos just make you into a ball. That's all it does. It's just gonna scare you. Even anyways, let me look at the map for a second. You would have not got it anyways, Kobe.
Oh my god, our 10th star already. Yes.
So this is our 10th star. And we started out with 3 stars. They didn't. We put them with 0. We started at 3 stars. So pretty much, there's actually due to settings. Man. I have really good strategies. Mario thinks he can get it with the twice candy. Ten. He's gonna get the. He's not gonna get it. 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 Okay, Sugar Rush, try to get them on this.
Yeah,
Try to win.
last time we lost.
Because last time I was playing with my sister, we lost. Because what they did, they went like this. And then they were done. It was so weird.
Yeah, it's kind of odd when that happens.
Don't they just make one person do it? That too still can still keep.
Oh, they
I was gonna put it on, but then it like made me let go. Oh, I was gonna put it on, but it makes me let go, and it makes me get and then it makes me get a different one instead. It's weird. Okay, Kobe, automatically just zap him. I'm gonna try to get it. Zap him. They missed 16 points. They lose 16 points. And they get 16 points too. Oh, it's your turn.